to one more recap. Unfortunately, this is a double max loss recap. So today I have lost $61.08 after fees and commissions. And the thing is that I failed to recognize that it was still a slow market. I averaged down, and I got triggered because I was sent to almost max loss right away. Not right away, but like very very early into the bell. I kept trading this stock, and I averaged down because I knew it would run, and it actually did. Actually, this was a win for me. I got into this area here for the reclaim of the view app, and it actually worked, but he dumped on the bell, and I should have sold right here as it showed weakness right before the bell, like a minute before the bell. I should have sold it right here, and I didn't. So that's why I'm saying I failed to recognize this as low market, because things were not going to rip on the bell. I mean, they might, but I had a feeling this wouldn't, and I just kept holding it. So I actually I actually closed this for a loss, which triggered me even more. And then where it was, and then right here at 9:45, I caught this flush right here, and I was hanging just barely above max loss, and I went for the breakout of high day, bought the dip, and then I think I bought it again on the descendant support here with the view app, and it just went straight through, and that sent me to double max loss. So a couple of mistakes, average down, and also did not recognize that was a slow day, at least at the start. Let things heat up first, and also size up too much. So that was the story of today. You can see at first I was tiddling from green to red to green. That kind of triggered me, hit me almost at half max loss, then went straight to double max loss. But the good news are, if you go back to my reports for the last 30 days, another big red day. This is very, very beginner. I need to keep it small like this. I was very proud of this last day here, and I just lost it today on a Friday. I mean, come on, we know better than this, right? But in the grand scheme of things, since I started recording my stats and testing this strategy with a minimum deviation from it possible, not the story of today, but from December 1st to this month. So I am actually still looking good. I just can't allow this to go any further down like it has. So I'm going to size down on Monday. I'm going to reduce my max loss to 20. And if it still goes down, then I'm going to reduce my max loss to 10. And then slow down the bleeding and slowly curl back up to the highs. I was almost at $300 there. But anyway, the win-loss days are still good. It's 17 winning days to 4 losing days. It's still 81% winning, so that's not bad. If I go back to the details, 48% winning trades to 51. I want to get close to 50-50, but still good. Yeah. So it is what it is, man. Still looking good overall, you know. Let me go to the calendar. Calendar for December. I was up $180. Never read more than 24. And I actually still green for the week, but went from $100 to 56. So I let go half of my profits right here. Had a big day here, and then gave it all back. Almost all back, right? So still green, things looking good. Size back down just to kind of crawl back up to the highs this week. And depending on how the market looks on the last week of the month, I might size up a little bit more, but I think I'm tending to just slow down and see how things go, man, because it has not been looking good market-wise when it comes to the low flow market. So hang in there, and if you're struggling to hang in there, Thanks for watching, and remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. If you're gonna do, and if you will, and if you're going to trade, do it at your own risk, okay? And be calm and patient with yourself. All right, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next week.